sell, the higher the volume. The volume refers to the amount of units in circulation and the monetary value of those units. Sometimes it's measured in Bitcoin, sometimes it's measured in US dollars. I've seen it measured in Ethereum. There's a lot of ways to measure the volume of a particular cryptocurrency. So this is Dogecoin. I was just letting my cat out for a second. So you're going to see a lot of region not supported signs because I was really trying to find some form of commerce that I could find within the site. But apparently, Texas has sharply curtailed how much BNB can be, how much Binance currency is in circulation in the state of Texas. Now I didn't use a VPN because I feel like, especially with something as high security as crypto, that might be TOS, and I don't want to get my account banned, and I don't want to ruin my reputation. I don't want this video to get taken down off of YouTube. And again, like with all my cryptocurrency videos, do not invest more than you can afford to lose because the crypto market is highly unstable. And I'm making this video for educational purposes. I am not like a professional crypto investor in my spare time. But I do like technology, and I do like learning about technology, including cryptocurrency. So APY is short for annual percentage yield. And it helps you to keep track of the interest you earn. And it basically, you have both simple and compound interest that are factor into APY.